7 thoughts about money that are keeping you poor. Do you know that your thinking can shape and create your destiny? Have you ever wondered why one person is rich and prosperous while another is poor? In this video, you'll learn how to change your poor mindset into a positive one that can make you rich and prosperous. This thought-provoking discussion will challenge your beliefs, but as a creative cruiser, look at this objectively and see if there's anything of value that can be implemented in your life to get you closer to your goals. Welcome to Creative Cruise. Number 1. Poor people think money is the root of all evil. In our society, people keep saying money is the root of all evil. This phrase is used to judge, condemn, and a poor mindset use it for excuse. Stop using your words to chase away what you want. Just because you don't understand the concept of money doesn't mean it's evil. Money is not the root of all evil. That is a common misconception from people who do not read the Bible. The Bible says it is the love of money that is the root of all evil. In other words, greed and covetousness. You don't have to be disloyal to yourself, your family, your loved ones, your superiors, or your values and principles just to gain money. Money is not inherently bad. It's something you have, not something you are. Money is a tool, make it work for you, don't work for it. Number 2. Money doesn't grow on trees. The expression money doesn't grow on trees is said to warn someone to be careful with their spending because there is only a limited amount. For example, you'd ask your dad for a new phone, and his reply is, "I'll have to think about it." Money doesn't grow on trees, you know? This phrase, popularized in the late 1800s, perpetuates a scarcity mindset, making you think money is limited and must be earned through hard work, preventing you from spending. However, you should always have the mindset that money grows because money can generate more money. If you invest smartly in companies that pay dividends like Coca-Cola, you'll receive commissions whenever the company pays dividends. Over time, your money increases more than the initial investment, and you could extend this profit into real estate. Trees don't grow overnight, and neither does money. Number 3. Poor people don't believe in strategy. Having a strategy helps you identify the key steps to reach your goals. Creating a strategy allows you to evaluate your strengths and weaknesses, optimize your strengths, and eliminate your weaknesses. A strategy shows you how to effectively allocate resources for your goals, making you more efficient and in control of activities that will help you reach your goals. With a strategy, you have a competitive advantage to stand out with your unique skills. The poor think this process is stressful, while the rich use strategy to scale higher. Number 4. Poor people think working hard is the best way to make money. The poor consider working hard as a virtue. While hard work is indeed admirable and can result in more opportunities, sometimes hard work just isn't enough for financial success. You require discipline, intellect, emotional intelligence, and God. Yes, you heard me. To the secular mind, this might be hard to hear, but putting God in what you do helps you work from a place of rest. Number 5. Poor people blame external factors for their situation. This habit is common in our society. Blaming others for your failure is easy, but it shifts responsibility away from you. Stop giving away your power by pointing fingers at someone or something else. It's okay to make mistakes and not get the results you expect. What isn't okay is losing yourself out of shame or guilt. Focus more on yourself and the things you can control. You're the only one who can defeat your circumstances. Accept yourself and accept responsibility. Number 6. Poor people value get-rich-quick schemes. You shouldn't be drawn to get-rich-quick schemes because of the promise of easy money. Especially during times of economic uncertainty, these schemes are often scams. Dear creative cruisers, don't fall in love with results. The process isn't always lovely, but there's value in it. Don't fall for tempting opportunities to make a lot of money quickly and with no risk. There's no true success without risk. Number 7. Poor people boast of their ignorance. Many poor people take pride in their lack of financial knowledge or skills. They may say things like, "I'm not good with money," as if it's a badge of honor. This mindset keeps them stuck in their financial situation. Instead of boasting about what you don't know, take steps to learn and grow. Educate yourself about finances, seek advice from successful people, and be open to new ideas. Admitting you don't know everything and being willing to learn can be the first step toward financial success. Your mindset about money can make a significant difference in your financial success. By changing these 7 thoughts, you can start to move away from a poor mindset and towards one that attracts wealth and prosperity. Remember, money is a tool, not the root of all evil. It's okay to make mistakes and learn from them. Focus on strategies, avoid get-rich-quick schemes, and always be willing to learn. Implement these changes in your life, and you'll be closer to achieving your financial goals. Thanks for watching Creative Cruisers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might benefit from it. See you in the next video.